Helen of Troy 1579 Tangle-Free Hot Air Brush. Helen of Troy Professional Tangle-Free Hot Air Brush Iron with removable, vented rotating barrel. Dual heat settings. 3/4A blow dryer and styling brush in one. Style and dry without annoying tangles. Features soft grip textured handle and 8 feet tangle-proof swivel cord. Soft, ball-tipped bristles gently grip hair, rests softly against the head. Maxi-Mist Sunless Spray Made Tanning Kit Machine Airbrush Maxi-Mist. I really like the spray tan kit. I think the machine works well and is easy to use. However, I don't really like the tan solution that comes with the kit. It seems to run a lot, and after 1 to 2 days needs to be touched up again after becoming spotty. Master Airbrush Tattoo System. Master G22 Airbrush, Air Compressor. Master Airbrush Compressor features and specifications. Powerful 1.6 horsepower airbrush compressor that's Light-Wieght Portable and Compact. Features air on-demand system that shuts off air when not in use. Precise air adjustment control from True Diaphragm Pressure Regulator with gauge and water trap filter that provides precise adjustment of airflow. Automatic on-off shutoff, preset for automatic turn off when air pressure reaches 50 psi. Preset for automatic turn on at 25 psi. The reduced running time means there will less motor wear and less heat-related moisture, enabling a longer compressor life. Maintenance-free, oil-less piston motor, full 1-year warranty. Type, single-cylinder piston compressor. Power, 1.6 horsepower. Voltage, 110-120 V. 60 Hz. Air control, pressure regulator with gauge and water trap filter. Air delivery, 23 liters minute. 0.7 cfm. 50 psi working pressure, 1235 psi. Auto stop start, stop at 57 psi, start at 27 psi. Maximum pressure, factory preset at 57 psi. Connections, 1/8 BSP. Dimensions, 6.0 x 5.0 wx 9L. Electric cord, 6 foot. Sally Hansen 3029-02 Medium Glow Airbrush Legs. Pomaria extract formula enhances coverage, covers freckles, veins, and imperfections. Water resistant and lightweight formula, smooth unperfect legs in an instant. Lhco Hot Air Ionic Brush. I love this styling brush. I'm 58 and have medium length, thick, fine hair that has a bit of natural body but not like a light perm or anything, and I've always lost a lot of hairs when washing and styling my hair. I was concerned about my hair routine wrecking my hair as I got older, and for about 6 years now I've changed my hair care products, styling tools, hair clips, etc., to help promote healthier hair and reduce hair loss and breakage. A few years ago I found a boar's hair round styling brush that worked very well. But when it broke after a few years, I decided to look for a boar's hair heated styling brush. I've used heated styling brushes before and for the most part love them. The ones with rotating bristles are pinch points and some tangle my hair worse than others. Definitely, you have to use heated styling brushes differently. You can't use them like a curling iron and wind all the way from the ends to the roots, or you will surely have a tangled mess. Been there, done that. Yikes. The way I've found that works best is to dry and lift the roots and then work your way to the ends. The Lhco takes a minute or two to get up to temperature, and on high it isn't an extreme heat, like others I've tried are. For a styling product, this is actually what you want, so you don't fry your hair with heat while you're actually trying to style it. What I do first is blow dry my hair until it's damp, then use the Lhco to heat style it in sections, and then set the top with Velcro rollers and hairspray while I finish getting dressed. This boar's hair brush is well made and helps reduce tangles while I style my hair. and it adds body to the roots and overall gives my hair a fluffed up look that holds all day. I'm so happy I finally found this. I'm planning to order another one as a spare, it's that good. Denair Pro Multi-Purpose Dual Action Airbrush. Introducing the revolutionary Denair Advanced Beauty Airbrush. This is the most precise, smooth, and lightweight airbrush equipped with the specially designed soft grip lever. The new air caps reduce buildup and make airbrushing eyeliner easier than ever before. Effortlessly handles everything from foundation, airton, and everything in between. Say hello to your one tool for every makeup application, and goodbye to traditional makeup forever. Features: performance engineered smoothest lines, easy to clean and maintain, industrial strength, includes 1x airbrush. Also, check out the new Denair Airbrush Soft Grip System and Cleaning System, patent pending. Pros and beginners can now get a grip on the airbrush results they have always wanted. Enjoy new ease and comfort. Pink or black grip not included.